Chris with PMC TV. I've had this 65 Dash that I took out of a car, and the reason that I kept it the way it is because everything is completely intact. So I play around with a lot of 65s. I have always wondered about the wiring. So I'm going to do a small video and flip it around and let you see everything it is in real time. Okay, here it is. I left everything, even the fuse block. So what I'm going to go through is I'll take a couple of still shots so that you can see every wire that goes to everything. So if you're wondering, what is my yellow, blue, black with the orange stripe? Well, that goes to your switch for your heater. If you're wondering the color of the wire going to the cigarette lighter, there you go. So I'll label everything out, especially where you could see the little bulbs. Those always drive me nuts. I never get the right ones in. Everything from the ignition. These two here are for the steering column, for the flasher. Because this car was so bad, I had to take out the entire, I basically cut it right out of the car. So it's all complete and we could see it all.